The purpose of the walk test is to be able to collect objective data that allows the therapist to evaluate and analyze the subject's walk pattern in an accurate and repeatable way. To proceed with a new acquisition from the test section of the patient screen, click on Walk Test. For the walk test, the sensor must be hooked to the appropriate belt and positioned below the line that connects the two venous dimples, lumbar sacral passage at the S1-S2 vertebrae. Start the acquisition by clicking on Rec. During the stabilization phase, the patient must remain still in the starting position, and the patient must walk at his natural speed along a straight path, completing at least 5 complete gait cycles, generally about 7 meters. When the subject has traveled a sufficiently long stretch, click Stop. If the test was performed correctly, click on the Save icon to save the test in a database, which automatically generates a final report. The clinical report of the walk test is composed of 3 main sections. The first section, where the spatial temporal parameters of the walk are reported. The second section, where the gait cycle phases are evaluated. And the last section, where the movement of the pelvis are analyzed.